Hi guys, ASHTONIX here with a brand new taste testing video. So today I'm going to be taste testing all these prime energy drinks. First up we have the orange mango. Let's give it a taste test. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Pretty good. Definitely orange. Let's see if I taste mango. Like a hint of mango. 7.3 out of 10. Secondly, the blue raspberry. Ooh, nice. Ooh, that's a lot more fizz. Let's taste it. Ooh, there's a simple burst of blueberry, then it's just sweet. Let's take another sip. Blueberry, then definitely raspberry. 7.6 out of 10. Thirdly, we have the lemon lime. Let's taste it. Ooh, nice fizz. Look at that mist. Let's taste it. Wow. I mean, I'm a complete fan of lemon lime, those kind of beverages, and this is just, yeah, this is up there. Ooh. Perfect balance of lemon and lime, sour and sweet at the same time. 8.7 out of 10. Fourthly, the tropical punch. Let's hear the fizz. Nice. Let's taste it. Ooh, that's a lot of flavors at once. That's not good. First you get a little bit of good, then a lot of bad, then a little bit of good. First it's like apples, maybe like tropical food, tropical punch. Then it's medicine, then it's like fruit flavored medicine, then again it has that sourness of a let's say lime or mango. 6.5 out of 10. Last but not the least, the strawberry watermelon. Ooh, that fizz. Misty. Let's taste it. Bro, this is so good. It's strawberry, definitely strawberry at first. Then a small hint of melon. I mean, wow. Almost reminds me of a strawberry lemonade. I mean, there's a small tangy flavor to it, and it's really good and perfectly balances with the strawberry flavor. 9 out of 10.